The biggest real estate gains don't happen after a location becomes famous. They happen when industries arrive, when infrastructure expands, and when smart investors enter before the crowd. Today, one such opportunity is emerging in South India's next DRDO-backed Defence and Aerospace Growth Corridor. At Puttaparthi, the DRDO AMCA Core Integration and Flight Testing Center is being developed to support India's 5th-generation fighter aircraft program. Palasamudram is already home to BEL's Defence Systems Integration Complex and NACIN's National Academy Campus. From Bharat Forge's Kalyani Strategic Systems to HFCL's Defence Manufacturing facilities to aerospace investments from JK Maini Global Aerospace, Kia India's manufacturing ecosystem further strengthens this region's industrial foundation. When defence, aerospace, industrial manufacturing and infrastructure come together, growth follows. And wherever growth goes, housing demand follows. At the center of this transformation is Magnolia by Amiri Ventures, located in Palasamudram. Strategically positioned amidst some of the region's biggest growth drivers. Just 3 minutes from NACIN Campus, only 4 minutes from BEL Defence Systems Complex, just 5 minutes from 50 plus APIIC companies, only 10 minutes from the upcoming Vijayawada Expressway. Magnolia isn't just connected to growth, it's located right at the heart of it. Premium 50 plus acre villa plot community designed for investors, future homeowners, and families looking to build their dream villa. Choose from premium villa plots ranging from 1,300 to 5,000 square feet. Enjoy forest-themed living, 50 plus lifestyle amenities, a 1-acre grand clubhouse, and a 5-acre lakeside resort experience. Magnolia offers a lifestyle that's as rewarding as the investment itself. And for those who wish to build their dream villa, construction support is also available. Magnolia also comes with a 40% appreciation buyback offer, giving investors an added layer of confidence while participating in one of South India's most promising growth corridors. Magnolia, Forest-themed Lakeside Habitat by Amiri Ventures. Invest where the future is being built.